Hello everyone, so today I am going to unbox my February Allure box. I'm super excited to get on in here and see what I got. So without further ado, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in the Allure Beauty Box for February, then just keep watching. So if you don't know what Allure Beauty Box is, the Allure Beauty Box, it's a $15 a month subscription service plus tax. So I think I pay about $16 and some change for it. You get it once every month and they send you sample size, some full size items with makeup, skincare, hair care, all that fun stuff. They've recently changed their packaging, which I'm actually really excited about. Used to get it in this red box, but now I'm pretty sure that they're gonna send bags, little makeup bags every single month. Last month we got this cute see-through bag that I thought was really cute. I can throw makeup in it when I'm traveling and all that fun stuff, so you can never have too many little cute makeup bags in my opinion. But let's go ahead and jump on in here. Okay, so each month you always get a pamphlet which shows you the price of the full-size items, plus they also throw coupon codes in there, which I always link in the description box for you guys. If you're ever interested in those, they'll be down below. So there's this little card sitting on top. It's a $25 gift for Gorgiana. I think that's how you say it, Gorgiana. It looks like, oh, it's dainty jewelry. That's cute. Its offer is valid until the end of this year. I may have to check that out because the little jewelries on the front of it look really cute. Okay, so this is the bag this month. I'm pretty sure this is like the exact same bag that we got last month, just in black. Yeah, so it's basically the exact same. This one's just a red see-through one, and then this one's just black, and then it just has the buttons on the front. So I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out and see what I got. So this first thing, this is a Mamonde Flower Lab Essential Rose. I'm assuming this is a type of mask. Oh yeah, there's a sheet mask in here. So it says that the serum that's in here, it hydrates and leaves skin texture moisturized and revitalized. So it says that the sheet is made of eucalyptus tree pulp extract that supplies long-lasting hydration by adhering transparently to the skin. So that's cool. So it sounds basically like a heat mask. Though sheet and hydration in one, apparently. A hydrating sheet mask. So it looks like you could have gotten one of several different ones. The price of this is $7. So that's fun, getting a little sheet mask. I have a huge pile of them because we get sheet masks quite a lot in subscription boxes, but I don't mind because I like sheet masks and my skin's super dry, so any hydration I could get, I'll take it. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is another thing from that brand, the Mamonde. It's a Petal Spa Oil to Foam. Oh, it's a cleanser. So basically, it says that it starts as an oil, then with water it transforms into foam. It dissolves any foundation, mascara, and eyeliner quickly. And the full size of it retails for $21. So it's just obviously a little sample size of it, but I do think that this is a pretty good size. You could definitely get several uses out of this. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out of here, this is a Modelco Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. So it just looks like this, and these colors are actually like right up my alley. This reddish one, wow, looks really pretty. These are really soft. I'll just swatch them for you. And they're really pigmented too. I'm actually kind of like pleasantly surprised. I haven't tried a whole lot of things from Modelco, so I can't tell you of the formula or anything like that, but just these little swatches, they seem really nice. This does retail for $15. I'm super into like the burgundy, brownie, taupey kind of shades, so I actually could see myself getting some use out of this, which is kind of surprising because I don't typically like little things like this, little trios, but I'm not mad at it. The next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is a Larizzi Cosmetics lip pencil, and this one's in the shade Bear. It's a little, I mean, it's not super creamy, if you can see that swatch at all. So it's just a very nude kind of rosy shade, which is actually really pretty. It looks like you could have gotten one of 3 things this month. You could have either gotten this lip pencil, you could have gotten a Douce Fire and Fine graphic pen, like an eyeliner, and then, or you could have gotten a Mally High Shine liquid lipstick. So out of those 3, this is probably, this one or the liquid lipstick maybe are the ones that I would have wanted. None of the 3 really like speak to me. I'm just kind of like whatever about it. I don't know how much use I'll get out of this. I do think it's really pretty, but I like my lip liners to be a little bit more creamy so they glide on a little bit easier. I feel like this is going to take some like stabby work to get done, but I'm not mad at it. It's still a really pretty color, and I'm pretty sure it's full size. I mean, it looks full size, and it retails for 18 bucks. The next thing I'm pulling out, this is a cute little brush. Okay, so this is a Triad Eye. I think that's how you say it. I'm probably butchering that. It's a Moda Metallics Triad Eye brush. So it does have this slant, if you can see. It is really soft. It feels pretty dense too. So I'm assuming this is pretty good for, you know, packing some eyeshadow onto the outer corners. It retails for $4.99. Oh, they also said you could use it for contouring. I actually think that that would be a good idea. Pretty good for the sides of your nose, I'd say. Maybe under your lip. Yeah, and it's super cute. Gold. Adorable. Okay, I think the last, okay, second to last thing I'm pulling out, this is a Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara. So this retails for $26. This looks to be full size. I have gotten a Wander Beauty mascara in the past, I believe in a BOXYCHARM. I haven't tried it out yet just because I don't like to open up my mascaras before I'm, you know, running out of the other ones that I'm trying to use up. Currently, I have 3 open already that I'm trying to use. So I'm not going to open this, but I am excited to see if it's good or not. It says it layers without clumps and gives lashes lots of drama. It lifts them, volumizes them, and lengthens them. Here's a picture of the brush so you can kind of see that. The brush kind of reminds me of the L'Oreal Carbon Black mascara brush or the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And those are brushes that I typically really like. So maybe this will be a new holy grail mascara for me. Who knows? Okay, and now for the last thing out of here. This looks like, oh, I think I know what this is. This is the Brow Gal, the Instant Tinted Brow Gel. I actually have one of these. We've got it in a BOXYCHARM again, I'm pretty sure. And I actually really like this. This is really nice for adding a little bit of color to your brows and then also setting them, and it also has a little bit of fibers in here. So this is one I definitely really like. I already have one, so I know I like it. So there we go. Now I got a backup. And this retails for $22. So you guys, today, I like the box. The one thing that I am super impressed with is we got 7 products. I mean, there's 7 different things in here, which I think is super awesome. We got 4 full-size makeup items. I mean, I guess, I don't know if the trio counts as full size, but I'm gonna count it as full size since it's not really a sample. I don't know. And then same, I guess you can count the mask as full size. You're getting an entire mask. You got a brush. And the only like sample size thing in here was the cleanser. I got 5 full-size skincare and makeup items. I got a brush and then 1 sample size. That I'm super impressed with. I only paid 15 bucks for this box. Everything besides this, all these things right here add up to $92.99. I think that's an awesome value for the fact that I only paid 15 bucks for it. So the items I feel like are just okay. There's nothing that I'm super excited about and that I really want to try. A mascara, that's nice. Hopefully I like it. I'm pretty picky when it comes to the type of mascaras that I use, so that's nice. I do like the brow gel though, the Brow Gal product though. The one that I've used, I'm sure is all gone, so having another one I really, really enjoy this. The lip liner's just okay. The eyeshadows are pretty and I can see myself getting some use out of those. The brush is cute. The mask is nice to have. And the cleanser is also just one of those things that's just nice to have. So like I said, there's nothing that I'm super excited to use, but they are nice things to have, I guess. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you think of the products? What do you think about the box in general? Do you have Allure Beauty and did you get the same things that I did? So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe before you leave and I'll see you next time. Bye.